This is a video walkthrough tour of 6919 West Golden Lane in Peoria, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Star Realty has been doing property management in Peoria, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Peoria. Welcome to this gorgeous home with an oversized yard and pool, plus spa. This stunning home features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It boasts a light and bright color palette with wood-style flooring and lots of windows that fill the space with natural light. The front yard has low-maintenance desert landscaping, while the backyard is a true oasis with turf, pavers, a covered patio, plus a beautiful pool with a built-in spa. Here we have an extra half bathroom, perfect for guests. The main living area has a very nice open feel, with glass doors and windows overlooking the yard. Wall openings also give the dining area a nice connected feel, while also having a formal space. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The 3 guest bedrooms provide ample flex space, while the main bedroom offers a spacious private bathroom with double sinks and a separate tub and shower. This home will not last long. Inquire today.